a lie, but time will tell the truth. This is why I always encourage us, don't you relationship goal anybody, don't ministry goal anybody, don't marry goal anybody. You don't know the climate behind that post. You don't know the devils that they're dealing with before they posted it. You don't know the sacrifices that they had to face before they posted it. You don't know what they're dealing with in the dark. So don't relationship goal anybody. Time will tell. Time will tell. Time will tell. Time will tell those who really care about you versus those who care about what you do for them. Time will tell. Time will tell.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am IAMDACARDIA, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer. And if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. So Sensationnel ended up doing a giveaway and your girl entered and won. I'm so excited and they gave me this wig. I wanted to try this wig so bad. They asked me which wig and I chose this one. This unit is so gorgeous, y'all. I'm so excited to even show you guys everything about this unit. So let's get into everything. So this is from their collection Bare Lace, and this is a 13x6. It's unit 4. So y'all, make sure you screenshot this. This is a wig that's worth trying. This unit is beautiful, so let's go ahead and get into the details of this unit. It only makes sense to start out with the lace. Y'all, look at the beautiful lace. Oh, I'm so excited. Has 2 combs in the front, has 1 comb in the back, and it also has the adjustable band. And if that's not enough, it has the silicone lining inside. Beautiful curls, a sandy blonde. Enough of talking about it. Let's get started installing. To be honest, there's nothing left to do. So let's go ahead and transfer over to this. I wanted to do a little bit more to this unit, such as layers. I also changed it into a middle part instead of a side part. Yeah, you could do a lot with this unit. This is my favorite. This is my favorite. I can say for 2026, this will be in my top favorites. I promise you, you're going to see this unit again, okay? Well, you guys, I guess that's it. That's all I can do to this unit. I absolutely love it. Let's talk about everything that I've done, which you guys saw. I ended up, putting some heat to it. I cut a little layers. You really don't need layers, but y'all know I'm a little extra, so I put more in there. And I absolutely love this lace. This lace is perfect. Like, y'all, I can't even explain this right now. Like, the wig is beautiful. Everything about it was like a 10 out of a 10. And I'm gonna give this unit a 10 out of a 10. Sensational, yes, thank you for this wig. And also, this is going to be a hard one to beat. This unit is a 10 out of a 10, and I don't think I will find a unit like this again, you guys. So anyway, that's all I got. But I thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. Make sure you subscribe and like everything that I got going on. And if you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hey, if you're still here, just know that I have a giveaway going on and I will find a winner next week. All you have to do is just guess how much I spent on this wig. So make sure you subscribe.